Hi everybody, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guys. Today I'll show you how to recover a message you've accidentally deleted in Gmail. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. Here's my Gmail account, and let's say I've accidentally deleted a message and I want to get it back. So first of all, scroll down on the left side of the page, go through all your labels and your folders. If you do not see the trash can, go to the very bottom and select More, and then keep on scrolling, and you'll find it. Okay, here's the message I want to recover. Select it, and then I'm going to move it to all of my Gmail or my inbox. Okay, one thing to keep in mind about a message that you've lost, messages that have been in trash for more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. So if the message is older than 30 days, it will be gone forever. If the message is less than 30 days old, it should still be here and look through it. The other thing you can do is you can look for the message by searching. So I can search for David Riley. Okay, and maybe it shows up there in the search results. For more information on how to get the most out of Gmail, out of genealogy, out of crowdfunding, out of Google Drive and Docs, go to in30minutes.com. We have a whole series of books on these topics. And if this video helped you out, if you could like it and follow me, I'd be very grateful. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.